Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and they're trying to do intersect, but the lines are going past the item. So the key word is line. So if we go intersect and move that over and then move over our line, you can see that the lines go past the line. So the key word is line. So let's move that out of the way. All you have to do, if you look, this is a 500-point line or half of an inch. I use points, they're using half an inch. And there's a very good reason to use half an inch in this scenario. But if you go to object and convert those outlines to an object, now they're color and not a line. Now you can use the intersect tool and look at that. The intersect tool works perfectly if we made that other line black. So sometimes lines will go past, and I'm going to do a second part on this on how he drew this. See if I can't reduplicate it. But anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you.